Many people are confused about the difference between an offline business and an online business. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Let me clear your confusion. You see, business is business at the end of the day. The same concept. The only difference is one is offline and the other one is online. Now, let me talk about offline business first. The growth of offline business is limited compared to online business because the customer reach is limited. Only the local customers can shop around. And it takes more time and efforts to scale up your business. And also, the cost of starting or doing an offline business is higher compared to online business. Now, let's talk about online business. First of all, the cost of starting or doing an online business is lesser compared to offline business because you don't need an office or a store. You don't have to hire many workers. Automation plays a major role. And instantly, you can start selling globally. And also, your business is open 24/7, which means you are making money even while you sleep. But again, I'm not saying online business is better than offline business. It is up to you. You decide.